So I have been posting. Very comfortable to wear. My phone died. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a sticker sheet for this drop. Very disappointing. I have rice from yesterday. Good morning, Famis. I am getting ready right now to head outside. Today I want to have a productive day. It's currently like 7:20 a.m. I wanted to keep myself accountable for doing my skincare every day, so I have been posting on TikTok with like chit-chat skincare routines. I want to record one for this morning as well. I'm gonna leave the house at the same time as my boyfriend, which is why I have to be up so early because I want to head into the city and get my film developed. Today is my day off from work, which is why I made like kind of an agenda of things that I need to do today. I'm also going to bring my iPad so I can do a little bit of drawing for my sticker shop. I think I need to set myself a deadline when I want to have my next drop so I can work towards that. Gisoo just came out with 3 new shades of their honey-infused lip oil. And the shade that I'm using right now is Vanilla Glaze. And it's just a very beautiful kind of icy gloss. I like the shine, and it just feels not sticky at all. I just recorded my whole skincare routine and I'm just gonna edit it later when I'm in the city. It's going to be a little bit warm today, so this is what I'm wearing. This white long sleeve is from Brandy, and then this cute midi skirt is from my mom made it, and I'm gonna pair them with boots. I have these boots from the brand Geox. I'm not sure how they pronounce it in English, but in Dutch you say Geox. So this is basically the outfit of today, and I'm going to wear my Tiffany's perfume. Let me take the mic away. These glasses are from Gina Trackett, and they are like 15 euros, and they have blue light lens in it as well. And they're very comfortable to wear, very cute, very affordable. I got a lot of compliments when I wear these. Anyway, we are running late, so we gotta go. Hello. I am at the Hoxton Hotel. My phone died, so I had to find myself a place where I can charge my phone, and the hotel had a charger. So while I'm waiting, I'm just having lunch here. I did buy some sunglasses just now at the store that I was at. I'm not sure how you pronounce the name, but it's a Kiarbede or something. And I also bought a case. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Enjoy. How sweet. She was like pausing to see if she could bring me my drink. It's stuck in this paper thing. Just kidding, just a skill issue. Just a hard case. I thought it was gonna be cute and it looks a little bougie. And then I went for the green sunglasses with the blue lens. It's a Danish design and it has UV 400 protection, I guess. These are the sunglasses. It's the exact same style that I already have, but then I thought this is like a nice switch up and a little bit less basic. I ordered myself a homemade iced tea and it looks like this. Very refreshing. It has no sugar, so it tastes very healthy. I brought my iPad because I wanted to do some drawing and I actually did sketch another design for my sticker shop. I currently have 9 die-cut sticker shop sketches that I want to work out. Let me show you guys a little overview. You can't see anything. Just know that it's there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a sticker sheet for this drop because I'm still not satisfied with my sticker sheet material, but I am satisfied with my die-cut stickers, so that one is gonna happen for sure. And while I wait for my food, I'm just gonna draw a little bit. Ooh. Yes, thank you. I guess we're gonna be eating first. Healthy, healthy, and not healthy. So, padron peppers, oh my god, Mike. Broccoli, and French fries. Yum. I just spent an hour at that restaurant to charge my phone, and when I asked for my phone back, it was actually not charged at all. So it was still out of battery, which was very, very disappointing because I really needed my phone to call my boyfriend to get the car. Yeah. So I went and bought a new charging cable somewhere, and then I used my iPad to charge my phone. And now my phone is back in action. I left the city, but I'm not home yet because I'm now at this prenatal baby store. I bought some stuff for my sister for her baby shower that was in the previous vlog, but the pants that I bought were actually too small, so I'm gonna return them. And I'm not gonna get new pants. Instead of that, I bought a new bag for her at Oisho, the one that I showed you in the few clips before this. It's been a really long morning, afternoon, because it's already 3 p.m. so I can't really speak anymore. I'm just gonna go and return the thing, and then I'm gonna go home and rest a little bit, play on my Nintendo Switch because I really need some downtime. I will see you guys when I'm home. There's honestly no better feeling than coming back home. I thought I was gonna be home early, like 1 p.m. ish at its latest, but it's almost 4 p.m. now. I am actually drained. Also, the shoes that I was wearing today, it was my first time wearing them, and they actually hurt the back of my foot. And I do have like these inserts that I can put in, and then it has like a little cushion on the back. So I'm gonna put that in for the next time that I'm wearing it. But right now my feet are hurting, so I'm super happy that I'm wearing my house slippers right now. I'm not showing you because you will see my feet if I do. I think I will have dinner around 6 p.m. ish, so I have about 2 hours to relax, and I'm not gonna be productive during these 2 hours. I just need to have a little me time. This is my super lazy dinner. I have rice from yesterday, tofu, silk tofu, and then some seaweeds to pair it all together. I need to go pick up my boyfriend, so I need to change into something that I can go outside with. This is one of my favorite new lounge pants. I got it at Brandy in this very cute butter yellow color. Obsessed. And this is one of the long sleeve shirts that I also got from Brandy. Do my evening skincare together. We finished the TikTok. I'm gonna edit it after this. So it's currently 9 p.m. and we've already had a very productive day. Let me see what I had on my to-do. For today, I had to go to the film lab, which I did this morning, and I also had to return the stuff from my sister. We also did that. Draw for the sticker shop, I did it this morning. I ended up finishing 2 line arts. So there's 2 more things on the list that I didn't do yet. One is schedule YouTube shorts. I've been scheduling YouTube shorts to go live every day, 1 short. But today was the last one that was scheduled, so I need to schedule for the next 2 weeks again. I have like a lot of footage that I didn't put on YouTube shorts yet, and it's already out on TikTok and on Instagram. I also wanted to edit my vlog. I'm not sure if I'm still gonna do that because it's already 9 p.m. and I just want to wind down, and my boyfriend also got home, so maybe some quality time with him. And then I will push the editing of the vlog to tomorrow. I'm also not too harsh. If I want to have a productive day, I'm already happy if I have a few things done off the list and I don't really push myself to like finish everything and make long days, long hours. With that being said, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of me vlogging outside and the new type of footage that I can make now with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna vlog for next week Sunday, but you will see, and stay tuned on my socials. I always give teasers if I have a new vlog idea, so then you already know what you can expect the next Sunday. And yeah, thank you for watching as always, and I hope to see you next week Sunday. Bye!
Girl, you got me down so bad.